Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Why buy a new home when you can buy this 3/4 bed, 1 bath home? The home has been repaired and updated throughout. Foundation repair includes transferable warranty, new AC, electrical panel, tile and carpet, windows, electrical outlet, switches, light fixtures and ceiling fans, new doors, door casing, baseboards, plumbing fixtures, granite countertops in kitchen and bathroom, fresh new paint throughout. Move in before the paint dries. Local access to I-610, Beltway 8 and 288 South Freeway. Great location. View this home today. Call today.